Question number 176. Excitable cells of neural tissue are, and the correct answer for this question is neurons, because the rest of the options, which are microglial cells, astrocytes and Schwann cells, are neuroglial cells. And these cells are insulating cells and are non-excitable cells. So the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 177. Read the characteristics of certain muscle fibers given below. And the characteristics given are, their functioning is not under the control of our will. That means these are involuntary muscles. The next characteristic is associated with blood vessels, stomach and intestine. So this means these are visceral muscles which lines the hollow organs. They are uninucleated. This means these are fusiform shaped smooth muscles, because smooth muscles are uninucleated. And the last characteristic is muscle fibers that taper at both ends, which means these are fusiform shaped. Now these fibers belongs to cardiac muscles. This is incorrect, because cardiac muscles are although involuntary muscle fibers, but these are not fusiform shaped. These are cylindrical shaped muscle fibers. Cardiac muscle, and this is incorrect, because cardiac muscle fibers are cylindrical in shape. Their muscle fibers do not taper at both ends. So this is an incorrect option. The second option is skeleton muscles, and this is also incorrect, because skeleton muscles are voluntary in nature. Third option is visceral muscles, and this is a correct option, because visceral muscles are involuntary muscles. These are smooth muscles which are fusiform shaped, tapered at both ends. The fourth option given is voluntary muscles, and this is incorrect, because voluntary muscles are under the control of our will. On the other hand, the characteristics given for the muscle fibers, they are not under the control of our will. So they are involuntary muscles. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 178. Contractile tissue present in heart. And we know that the contractile tissue present in heart is cardiac muscle. And these muscles are involuntary, cylindrical in appearance, branched, striated, and these muscles are made up of involuntary, cylindrical, branched and striated muscle fibers. Let's discuss the options first. The very first option given is does not show striations, and this is an incorrect option, because cardiac muscle fibers are striated in appearance. The second option given is exhibits absence of branching, and this is incorrect, because cardiac muscle fibers are branched. The third option given is shows presence of intercalated disc, and this is a correct option, because it is this intercalated disc which functions as boosters of cardiac impulse. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. The last option is it does not exhibit excitability, and this is incorrect, because excitability is a property of muscles and these cardiac muscles are excitable in nature. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 179. Cells responsible for secreting collagen fibers in areolar tissue are. Areolar tissue is a type of loose connective tissue. The very first option given is chondroblast, and chondroblast are the cells which are cartilage forming cells. So this cannot be a correct answer. Option number 2 is macrophages, and macrophages are phagocytic cells. They do not secrete collagen fibers, so this is an incorrect option. Our third option is fibroblast, and fibroblasts are the fiber secreting cells. So option number 3 is a correct answer to our question, because it is these fibroblast cells which are responsible for secreting collagen fibers in areolar tissue. Our last option is mast cells, and this is an incorrect option because mast cells are responsible for the production of serotonin, heparin and histamine and not for the secretion of collagen fibers. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 180. Read the given statements, and the very first statement is tendons and ligaments are examples of dense irregular connective tissue, and this is an incorrect option because tendons and ligaments are the examples of dense regular connective tissue. The second statement given is fiber secreting cells are absent because fluid connective tissue such as blood, they lack fiber secreting cells. So this is a correct statement. Our third statement is presence of lamellae is common to both limb bones and cartilage at tip of nose. And this is an incorrect statement because lamellae is exclusively present in bones only. Whereas lacunae is a feature which is present in both bones and cartilage. The next statement is most of the cartilage in vertebrate embryos are replaced by bones in adults, and this is a correct statement. Now select the option with correct statements only, and among the given statements, statement B and statement D are the correct statements. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. So with this question, I would like to end up the discussion of this AIATS paper. I hope all the doubts and queries have been solved regarding this paper. Keep learning, keep exploring, and thank you very much for watching.